Welcome to the Graham 308 Basic Operation Guide. The lights will turn on automatically when entering. This room is equipped with a single ceiling mounted projector. There is a fixed webcam mounted at the rear of the room for distance learning and lecture capture. There are two wall-mounted displays called left and right. The lectern is located at the front of the room. There is an always-on microphone to boost in-room audio. The document camera is located next to the workstation. Begin by pressing the Start button on the touch panel. Press the desktop input and send it to all displays to make sure everything is powered on. There is also a laptop input, document camera, Blu-ray player, and the Solstice sharing device. An example of dual display information might be to send your laptop to the wall monitors and then use the document camera to show something on the main projector. Alternatively, you may want to use the Solstice for group work, so you send it to the left and right room displays. The connection information is always on the screen when selected. Students should use the IP address and 4-digit code to connect to the Solstice. It can be accessed via laptop or mobile device. There is a one-time download of the immersive Solstice app. Once connected, students can share information across the room displays. To mute all the displays in the room, press the mute button. Press it again to bring it back. Under Settings, you can mute individual displays. The volume controls are located on the right side of the touch panel. When you are finished, press power down and then power down again. If you have any questions, please contact 6tech@uncg.edu.